viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today it's Mother's Day and we are going to be making Mother's Day flowers. Now this is the finished product of the Mother's Day flower, and here are the steps to making it. And the supplies are, you need white cardstock or whatever kind of paper you have, green cardstock or whatever paper you have, and you need a straw. I like it green because it's for the stem, and a pencil, scissors, yellow pipe cleaner, and tape. Now, and you also need the tissue paper, and I will show you what you need that for. Now, the first step is to trace out your hand. Now, like when you're doing it, if you kind of make your fingers look like, I can show you, let's see if I did it. Like right here, when you're cutting, you can just go around and cut like you think you should have it. So the next step is to cut now. Okay guys, see you back when I'm done cutting. Okay guys, welcome back. I'm done cutting out my hand. You see how I kind of it kind of was pointy, and then I just went over. So that's what I was talking about last time. Now, it's time to cut out the leaves. I don't want to waste my cardstock, so I'm just gonna draw. Since I'm doing one leaf right now, I'm just gonna do it so that it could fit one leaf. Just gotta keep cutting. So I'm just gonna cut out the one piece. Now I'm gonna fold it in half. And you know how it goes to the straw? I can show you how to do that in a couple seconds. Now you just want to make a kind of like a leaf shape. That's not a leaf. If you mess up, you can just kind of make it go in a little bit more. It's like a pointy leaf, you see? And now I'm just gonna get the scraps out of the way. Okay, so now, so like I said, how it goes to the straw, what you're gonna do is you're just gonna do a little, it doesn't have to be big, just a tiny triangle, and then gonna open it up and it will look like a diamond. The next step is to take your straw, and what I like to do is I like to take right here, you know how it bends and stuff, I like to put it where the hand is, and then like that. Then you're gonna tape. So you're just gonna tape the hand so it goes together, and then you're gonna tape the hand onto the straw. So it doesn't go anywhere. Okay, so the next step is to take your leaf and put it on to your straw also, and then you want to, what I like to do is I like to just, so it doesn't go anywhere, I just like to wrap it around like this, put it on the leaf and put it to the hand like that. So so it's not going to go anywhere. But you can also, yeah, okay. So the next step is to, I like to, this is a half of a pipe cleaner, and I like to put it into fourths. So I'm just going to cut the half right in half. And then I'm going to put it into the straw. So it looks like that. Okay, so I'll see you back when I'm done making a couple more. Okay guys, welcome back. I made all 4 of my flowers now. Now I'm going to show how to make the bouquet that I'm going to put them in. Let's put those to the side. Okay, so the steps to making it is you're going to put it into, it's a square here, put it into a diamond. Fold it up, but not all the way. Like this. And then what you're going to do is you're going to fold this up too. Now you're going to take your flowers and you're going to put them in right now. Then you're going to wrap this side, wrap this side, and then you're going to get the tape and tape it right where the wrap is. I'm going to get one more because I didn't go. And then you're going to put your flowers however you want them. So this is what it should look like at the end. And I just want to say Happy Mother's Day, and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you receive notifications whenever I post a new video. Bye guys!